So the reason why this is all on my bed is because I was going to do a best wallet for your buck type of video, but I thought that was a little bit boring, so I wanted to switch things up. But if you guys do want to see that video, definitely let me know down in the comment section down below. How have you guys been doing? How's life? How's everything? For me, life is good. Life is definitely good. I've been more into myself, if that makes sense. I've been more doing things for myself, you know, holding myself accountable for the things that I'm saying and the things that I want to do. So lately I've been going to the gym. I am, you know, gonna be toning up and like losing weight. And a lot of people say, oh my goodness, you're skinny, you're skinny, you're skinny. But, you know, just for myself, I felt like I was gaining weight for the longest time, maybe like last month and like into the holiday seasons. Like I just been rapidly gaining weight. And that's just probably because, you know, I wasn't active, you know, wasn't really doing anything. Maybe I was a little bit stressed. So I used to stress eat a lot. The number one reason that I found out I was gaining weight is because of this right here. So mine is the 18. So lately, like back then, I felt like the bracelet was so tight on me. Like it wouldn't move as much as this right now. Like, you know, because again, I'm losing weight. So it wouldn't move like as much as this. It would probably just go from here to here, here to here, and it would just be sucked on my skin. Like I would wake up and then all of the nails would just be like have the indentation on my skin. So that is how I knew I was gaining weight. And you know, I was just like, oh no, like I even felt like, oh my goodness, I need to take these bracelets off. And then I felt like, you know what, why are you doing all of that? Like, you know, why are you taking the bracelets off? That means like you're giving in. So instead of doing that, I definitely dedicated myself to be going to the gym 4 to 5 times a week, and I have been going non-stop religiously every day after work. I usually go like from Tuesday through Saturday, and like have my Sunday, Mondays off just to do my own thing, because you know, you do need to, you know, give yourself some rest, give your body some rest so your muscles can grow again. I'm also not drinking. So for me, I love a drink. I love a cocktail. I love an alcoholic beverage. I love to get libated. I love to turn up. I love all of those things. So for me, I found myself when I was drinking so much, because I used to drink a lot. Not that I'm alcoholic now, just mostly that I would enjoy to drink. I love to drink. So I decided, you know, to stop drinking, you know, because with drinking comes eating wrong. Just because it's like, you know, you're trying to make your body fuller so you don't get drunk as fast. So, you know, I was like, you know what, let's stop drinking for a while. And right now it's been like, I think a month that I stopped drinking. And that's, for me, that's a really, really long time. I know, like, you know, it's not a long time, but it is, because I used to go out every week, maybe like 3 to 4 times a week, and drink and enjoy a beverage. I felt that since I'm like, you know, moving into something new, that I would lose a lot of people, like not friends, but just lose people that they don't understand my journey in life. Not saying that I would never drink again, but for right now, I just want to control it, because I know if I have one, I'll probably go on a binge and start drinking like the whole bottle, or, you know, drink the whole bottle of wine, or whatever the case may be. So a lot of people didn't understand it, and I understood that they didn't understand it. So we just stopped talking for a while. And it sounds so bad, but it's just the honest truth. You come first. So if that person doesn't agree with what you're doing with your life, then, you know, chances are you're not supposed to be friends. Because I feel like friends or spouses or anybody would understand what you're going through in life and support that, instead of, you know, treating you bad or making you feel bad about it, or, you know, just things like that. So that is where I am in my life right now. I'm not drinking. I'm going to the gym 4 to 5 times a week. I'm eating healthy, and I am losing my weight. So I know that was a lot of rambling, but that's just where I am in my life. So let me know down in the comment section, like, you know, what are you guys' New Year's resolution? Are you guys doing a New Year's resolution? And I don't even like that word. I mostly like lifestyle changes. What's your lifestyle changes down in the comment section down below? We have things to do, so I definitely want to take you guys along with me. This is hot. So I feel like I'm skinny now, so I can wear these plastic pants. This is some Gucci stuff for you. I'm skinny now, so I can wear this. Let's see, what is this? Ooh, I'm definitely skinny, so I can wear this. This is hot. Everybody's gonna have that for the summertime. So as you guys know, today's video is all about sweatpants, the perfect designer pair of sweatpants to go to the gym in. So this is one from Connextion. I have one from Saint Laurent. This is like a jogger type of sweatpants. Then we have one from Givenchy, one from Gucci, and one from Vetements. So I'm going to try on all of these sweatpants to see which one I like. So this is a Gucci times Barney's New York exclusive. I didn't want this one. I wanted the other one that I had on my wish list. But let's just see how they all look and fit. I'm going to be telling you guys the size that I got and the prices just in a bit when I figure it out. So let's go. So first up are these pair from Connextion. I got them in a size large. They cost $470 and they feature this little stripe on the side and they do not fit. And I don't even like them, actually. I don't like the material. So nope. This is not good, people. Ew, this is so horrible. So these are Saint Laurent. These are size 52. They cost $1,290 and they don't even fit. Like, look. Like, I don't understand how they don't fit. And if you guys are wondering, these are my thermals because it is cold outside, so I am wearing thermals. But yeah, this is not even going up. I'm not even gonna try to stick the other leg in. Like, what is this, yo? This is insane. Fail. So next up are these pair from Vetements. It's black. They're very, very oversized, as you guys can see. This is a size small, and like, look at it. This is my actual leg, and this is much material. The pockets are actually down here, not up here. So I'm so confused. The waist, this is the waistline, but like, if you hike them up all the way over here, then they fit. Like, I'm so confused. The pockets are here, which meaning, like, is it supposed to be hiked up so your hands can fit in the pockets, which are right over here? Yo, these are not good. So this one is Givenchy, size 52, and this one costs $960. And this one fits the best out of all of them, honestly. I think they're still too big. I can go for a 50 or maybe even a 48. But yeah, this is how they look.
How's the medium working out for you? It is definitely oversized. Yeah.
It's too big. Honestly, this is too big. Last but not least, these are the Gucci ones. 1500, size large. I feel like they're good, but then they're still kind of tight. I don't know. And I'm not really feeling this print. What do you guys think? Let's take a squat in them. I don't know. Like, and I feel like they'll stretch and look horrible. I don't know. So far, what do you guys think of all of the sweats? Which one is your favorite? Definitely comment down below so you can let me know which one I should cop. I don't know if any of them actually work. So far, this is the best one. So right now I'm at the Barney's downtown location and I feel like the fitting room lighting is so much better here. So I'm gonna show my outfit of the day. So I have on this urban outfit, this black shirt, this Burberry plaid shirt that I had for about like 6 years, a pair of Zara jeans, and these pair of Alexander McQueen creeper shoes. This is how they look. And these are the sweatpants that I got at this location. These pair of Prada sweatpants or track pants with the little Prada logo there. These Fear of God shred basketball shorts, and these Fear of God, it's like almost like a track sweatpants. So that is what we're trying today. So first up are these Fear of God track shorts, and I'm like, these have been done so many times. I have a similar pair from Chicago Bulls. I tried on the extra large. I'm not sure how much these cost. There's nothing exciting about this, except for this string. So these are the Fear of God, like kind of tailored sweatpants. I don't know what this material is, but it's definitely like a tailored sweatpants, and I love this little feature to go like that. These are a size extra large and these cost $760, but I don't know if they're worth it still. I don't know if they're too long for me, because this is creating some sort of weird bulge thing. And last but not least, these pair of Prada like flight pants, sweatpants material. This is a size 52, which is way too big, and they cost 780 bucks. But yeah, they're way too big. And look at this. This is what they say Prada right over here, which is okay. What do you guys think? Should I work out in these? These are more for like skiing, I think. Let's do a squat test. I don't know, so definitely let me know which one of you guys think are your favorites down in the comment section down below. So this SA helping me out, he thought that I would like these pair of sweatpants since I'm looking for a pair of sweats. And these are from Valentino. They're a size 50 and they cost, let's see, 150 bucks. So let's try these on. But yeah, these are a no-go for the Prada still. And then he also brought me this Balenciaga like flight jacket, which is oversized, but I'm not feeling that either. Like, it's so funny, like, I'm like, oh, I'm looking for a pair of sweatpants. And he's like, oh, let me bring you this, let me bring you that, let me bring you this. And I'm like, this, where am I going to the gym in these? So what do you guys think of these? I kind of hate pants that has slit pockets because, you know, with the derriere problem, like it starts to like bulge out like this. But a pair of pink pants, what do you think? I love the blue stripe. And then it starts to create this. Nope, these are too small. But these are fun. Squat test. Let's squat test in them. He didn't know what he was talking about. Nope. Oh my gosh, these are horrid. No, these are not good.